Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator on your iPad. This incredible experience is made possible through cloud gaming, allowing you to stream the full game directly to your device. You won't need to download large files or have a powerful local machine. Instead, the game runs on remote servers, delivering stunning visuals and immersive gameplay right to your fingertips, transforming your iPad into a portable cockpit. To get started, you'll need a few key things. First, ensure your iPad runs iPadOS 14.4 or later. Second, an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription is essential, as it includes cloud gaming. Third, a strong internet connection, preferably broadband or fiber with at least 10 megabits per second download speed, will minimize lag. Finally, a Bluetooth-enabled controller, like an Xbox wireless controller, offers the best control for flying. Setting up is straightforward. Begin by opening the Safari browser on your iPad and going to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website. Next, use the share icon to add the page to your home screen, creating a convenient shortcut that acts like an app. Then, sign in with your Microsoft account that has the Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Finally, pair your Bluetooth controller with your iPad through its settings, ensuring it's ready for flight. Once everything is set up, tap the Cloud Gaming shortcut on your home screen. Browse the library and select Microsoft Flight Simulator to begin your adventure. For a smoother flight, consider adjusting the controller sensitivity within the game settings to match your preference. Always ensure you have a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection to enjoy the best possible streaming quality and responsive controls, making your virtual flights truly immersive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.